Namaste and welcome on board the Isness, my narrowboat here on the Macclesfield Canal. What a glorious morning it's been, and how scenic and picturesque with all the snow around me. During lockdown, us boaters are very lucky that we've got a towpath right next to us that we can walk along, and we can enjoy the glorious scenery that surrounds us. This morning I got up early and I took a lovely walk down towards Bosley and back, and the scenery was spectacular, as you're about to see. Isn't this incredible? Just overnight the snow has disappeared. There's a few little patches here and there, but that's it. Nature is always changing the scenery. Every moment is different, it's always changing, and everything that we see or feel or suffer even is temporary. It doesn't last forever, it's just temporary, just like this. Who knows, tonight it could be thick snow again, but we just don't know. The weather forecast may tell us that it's going to snow tomorrow, it's going to rain tomorrow. Even they don't get it right. At the end of the day, nobody really knows what's going to happen next. But I can tell you this, don't go away, because I've been doing some more editing and I've got some more beautiful scenes of white snow for you again. Enjoy. I think to myself, what a wonderful world. No trees of green, no red roses, just a frozen canal, a red nose, and frozen hoses. I'm very lucky to be able to take a walk on my doorstep down a beautiful canal towpath and see all this beautiful scenery. And it's obviously daily exercise, so I'm not just doing this unnecessarily. I do need to get out, I do need to exercise, but taking the camera along with me and filming it. I know a lot of people out there are unable to take walks like I am, and I'm very grateful and privileged to have all this around me. And by sharing my experiences like this walk today, I'm hoping that it helps you, make you feel better, as it does me. It makes me feel great. The air, the wildlife, the nature, the beauty of the scenery makes me feel fabulous. Thank you for joining me today on my vlog. Do come back again, and if you want notifications and want to know when my next vlog is, simply subscribe, click the thumbs up button, and there's a bell that gives you notifications as well. I hope you've enjoyed this beautiful experience walking the Bosley Flight here on the Macclesfield Canal. Join me again soon on Narrowboat Isness.